Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Canon Pixma TS3450, and now I'm going to show you how to install paper on this device. So, firstly, you should open the paper tray. Is here, and here you have this blue element. In this element you can change the size of installed paper. For example, if you want to install A4, so just made it as wider as it possible and just install inside the paper card. That's it. Now you just need to be sure that the output is opened. So if it's opened, it looks right like you can see right now. And here the tray need to be closed too. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.